Oh hey, what's up YouTube? So I'm finally making a video again. It's been quite a while. And I'm not even documenting this whole trip. I'm just going to do this short section as we go through the Glacier Park. And yeah, I'm actually going on a trip with my dad. This is the first time we've ever done this. I guess I could give you just a short backstory on my father. He used to ride bikes when he was younger. He always rode dirt bikes. He had like an Honda Elsinore 125 and a Husqvarna 250, I believe, and as well as some other bikes, but those are the ones that I think stand out in his mind. And so me growing up, I always heard about him riding, and I obviously got excited about it and rode bikes when I was a kid, and that carried on to me riding street bikes. And that's something that he never really got into. He didn't really ride a lot of street bikes, or maybe, I don't think did you ever own a street bike? Yeah, well, then he never had his class 6, that's right. He had never had his motorcycle license. And so just in the last, what is it, 3 years ago? Yeah, 3 years ago he decided, you know what? He obviously saw how much fun I was having, so he decided he was going to go and get his license and buy a bike. So he bought a Honda ST1100. That was his first road bike, and then now he's since sold that, and now he's riding a Ducati 1000 DS Multistrada. And we've almost missed the entire season this summer. We haven't really got a chance to get out and ride together, and so we just happened to have a couple days here. Decided to come south of Calgary, hit Glacier Park, and go up this, what's it called? Going to the Sun Road. So that's what we're doing. And that's where we are. Yesterday was really good. We had sunny weather. Today it's a little cloudy and a little chilly, but it's not too bad. We're still having fun, so yeah, so I'll just show you a few clips of today, and that's about it. Yeah, it's pretty nice in here. What a cool road. They would never build anything like this in Canada. It'd be too dangerous. Wow, it's narrow. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I guess that guy's stopping. Look at that. Very cool. Yeah. Yeah. It's beautiful. Very cool. Oh, that's a good view right there too. Alright, we should probably stop somewhere here so we can get a couple of shots, a couple photos. Looks pretty good. Yep, I sure am, because that's amazing right there. This whole road is amazing. Wow. Yeah. It's way down there. Thank you. What are you guys riding?
The 1300 GR.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you bet. Yep, tunnels are fun. Well, that was coming down from Logan's Pass.